I remember a number of years ago, about 25 years ago, I was at a court conference. It was on a matrimonial case. Went into the back in chambers, and it was the other attorney, myself, and the judge. And so sometimes at these conferences, there's some small talk before you actually speak about the case. And the attorney and the judge was speaking about a barbecue that they both attended that weekend. I thought, what's going on here? I wasn't at that barbecue. And was going to be, so I have a son named Joseph, and in speaking to the court, it's important for the story. When they were speaking about the barbecue, I guess I had made some small talk with the attorney outside, saying that I had, at the time, 2 children. One of them's name is Joseph, and the judge's name, his first name happened to be Joseph. So I think I joked around and said, "Oh, boy, I wish I was at that barbecue with you." And the other attorney chimed in and said, "Well, you were probably with your children." And, I guess making light of it and joking, the judge said, "Oh, some comment about my children." I said, "Yes, Judge, I have 2 boys, and I named one of them after you, Joseph." And that wasn't exactly, but it was funny. The reason I bring this up about going to a barbecue or something is many of my colleagues and friends have become judges or have applied to be judges. And this is judicial season, so there are some fundraisers that are taking place. And I was at a board meeting today, and I sat, so unrelated to that, but related in that I sat next to a member of the bench because we're on the same board, and I knew this person in private practice, and now this person is a member of the judiciary, and we're still friends in that way. Friendly, really, I should say. This person's never been at my house to eat dinner. I've never been at that person's house to eat dinner. But whenever we're in social settings, we congregate together, and other people as well. So there's probably more than a dozen people that I was in practice with, or at or around the same time, right? So I wasn't in practice, meaning inside of a law firm with any person that became a judge or a member of the bench, but in the periphery. So it's interesting how that goes. I guess as you become older and you're longer in practice, the people that were your colleagues are now the members of the judiciary. How does that benefit you? All you really want from a judge is to listen to the facts, give you a fair shot. That's all you really allow me to present the case to the benefit of my client to the best of my ability. That's it. You're going to get that with me.